Okay, I wanted to provide a solution that I put together for the problem when you buy these single piece floor mats for the back of your GL 450. Mine is a 2015. This is an EA Accessories. Costs about $63 here off Amazon. When you put it in, the problem is when it folds up, because it loses space because of this little fold flap, the top of this flap sticks up about this high and it looks absolutely ridiculous, right? So somehow you've got to create 3 separate pieces that all can support each other. So what I did was I took that same product and I cut it right at the top of the flexible flap right here. This is the flexible flap. And I took the additional piece up top and cut it down the middle and screwed it in below down towards the very bottom. So I didn't have enough to do this piece. So what I did was I went to, you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's, and this is a very thick rubber matting that you use. This one's from Home Depot, made by Hyper Tough, and it goes inside of your drawers for your tools. It's only like $13, very thick, and it's perfect for what we're using it for. Then for the screws, I use these screws from Hillman. They're black with a black washer so they don't go through the fabric. They were 2 for, I think, $2, but you might be able to find them online a little cheaper. All right, so this is piece number 1 here on the bottom. I took that other piece, I wrapped it, I started it right here, about halfway down, went over the top, and I screwed it in to this board. This is a hard board, so you can screw right into it with the little screws, but make sure they're small enough. You want to go 1/2 inch. You don't want to go too deep, and you don't want it poking out the side. The ones that go into the seat require a self-tapping screw first. So you'll need a self-tapping type screw to start the hole. Boom, once you start the hole, remove it and drop in the black colored with a little washer on the back, so it looks nice and pretty. I'm going to replace, these are my backups, with these nice ones here. When they get them in, I bought all the ones they had. All right, I hope this helps you when you drop it down. She no longer, everything goes flat, so it'll all fold flat. Put all your groceries in there, whatever you got to do, and then when you don't need it anymore, just bring it back up and you're good to go. All right, thank you. Hopefully this helps you out.